What's up traders, my name is Red and this is the Red Day Trading Channel, where we don't just face the red days, we embrace them as opportunities to grow stronger and become more disciplined. Since 2024, I've been a top step funded trader, steadily growing my account with a win rate of only 25%. That's right, losses are a daily part of my trading journey. I've felt every emotion you can think of in this game: frustration, excitement, overconfidence, self-doubt. If it's a trading emotion, I've been there. These daily trading recaps are my way of reflecting on my trades, identifying areas of improvement, and sharing the lessons I picked up along the way. My goal is to remind you that even profitable traders ride the same emotional highs and lows as everyone else. By sharing my experiences, I hope to inspire you to stay disciplined, keep learning, and tackle the challenges of trading head on. If you enjoy these daily recaps where I share all my trades and lessons from the day, engaging with this content is the best way to show your support. So hit that like button. It's a small move with a big impact. It helps other traders discover this content and lets me know these recaps are resonating with you. Also, I'm working towards my first goal of 100 subscribers, so your support would mean the world to me. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you'll never miss a new recap or trading insight. Now let's dive into today's market and see how it all unfolded. Hello everyone, welcome to the Thursday's edition of Trading Recap. I can't believe it's Thursday already. I swear this short week has been flying by. I hope your week is going well so far. As a quick reminder, I only trade ES futures on the Top Step X platform, so all the price action and trades I discuss will be based on that market. So I took 3 trades today, 2 in the morning session and 1 at the end of the day. Let's go straight into them. Let's start with my first trade of the day. What was my plan for this trade? I was looking for a reversal similar to my trade from last Friday, but if you remember this setup, it hasn't been performing well recently, so I kept my stop loss pretty tight. My entry was on this fair value gap with target here, and I moved my stop to break even at the green line as usual. So what happened? The price made a quick move down after hitting my entry, which looked promising, but as you can see, the price struggled to break down past the green line. I thought the price might reverse around the green line, so I put my stop to break even early, and luckily my analysis was correct. There were several moments when I thought the price might finally break down, but it didn't. The price action today was up only, as you'll notice throughout the session, but that's alright. I'll take these free trades any day. It's just another data point to add, and then I move on to the next trade. This next trade is where things get exciting. As you may have noticed from the title of this recap, I hit an all-time high on my account balance with this trade. So what was the plan for this trade? So looking at the price strength from the previous trade, I decided to ride the upward momentum. My entry was here with my target set here. And as always, if the price hits the green line, I would move my stop to break even. At first, it looked like the price would take off without me, but just like yesterday's morning trade, it quickly shot back down to tag me in, and the price just never looked back. It did stall briefly at the green line, but I held patiently and let it reach my target. It was kind of interesting. The price seemed to reverse right after hitting my target, right down to the tick, but it went back up later in the day, so I'm probably reading into something that doesn't matter. As much as I want to be a fortune teller, I had to remember that I'm just a participant in the larger wave of price action. After this win, I wish I could tell you guys I rode off into the sunset with a secured bag, but the market wasn't done with me yet. The power hour had one more setup in store. So similar to yesterday, I always feel a bit nervous placing another trade after a win. That fear of losing the gains I've just made is tough to ignore. But trading isn't about emotions, it's about sticking to the math and the plan. So what was the plan for this last trade? We have been going up all day today, and I thought there has to be some kind of a reversal towards the end. So my entry was on this fair value gap targeting the opposite side, and I would move the stop to break even on this green line. And also something I do only for the power hour trade is that I move my stop to break even at 3:45 p.m. because the price gets so unpredictable towards the very end. And I manually close my position at 3:59 if the target isn't hit by then. So what happened? It seemed like it was going my way in the beginning, but I guess there weren't enough sellers to push the price down. And since it was 3:45 without the price going anywhere, I eventually moved my stop to break even, and then the price eventually came back up. No harm, no foul, you know? I'm just proud of myself for going through with the plan, and no actual damage was done other than a little bit of fees. So to end the day, I was able to secure another green day and all-time high on my account balance. But this isn't about showing off or anything, especially since I've only had break even or red days for the whole first half of the month. I just hope this is enough of a demonstration that day trading is about patience and minimizing your risk as much as you can. If you can keep that consistent and have faith in your system, I truly think the market will reward you. But like I said yesterday, these 2 green days should have no effect on me. I will always stay humble, and the red days are just around the corner, ready to humble me if I'm not mentally ready. How was everyone's trading day? Green or red? Remember, the journey is about growth and learning. Share your wins or lessons below. And if you found this recap helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more trading insights. Make sure to catch my latest video on 5 toxic habits every trader needs to avoid. Link in the description. Remember guys, red days aren't failures, they're lessons that make us stronger. Thank you for watching guys. See you tomorrow. Red signing out.